I'm Simon Curtis, I'm head teacher at John Spendluffe Technology College in Alford, Lincolnshire. We are a growing secondary school and we have grown significantly over this term for our September start, and we are now just over 650 students. Originally the school was built for 300 students.
My name's John Treasure. I'm the School Business Manager at John Spendluffe Technology College in Alford, Lincolnshire.
We made a decision to add an additional canopy due to the growth of the school. We wanted an extra space for the students to use during breakfast club, break time and lunchtime. This is a great place for them to eat their food and socialise with their friends. The additional canopy was introduced and it's had a real positive impact on our students and our staff. It's given a use for our dining facilities as an extra space, but also a multi-use for PE usage when it's poor weather. We can use the table tennis tables underneath the space. It's also an additional outdoor classroom if we ever need to use that. And also for students and staff to come and speak one-to-one if they want to have a separated area when the weather is poor.
Once we decided that a canopy was the right solution for this, we went about our usual tendering process, which was to get 3 quotations from companies, A&S Landscape being one of them. From the very outset, they were very communicative via email. We had telephone conversations in order to work on the design, and it very soon became apparent that this was a high quality product that they were offering. A&S Landscape's quote wasn't the cheapest, but with the quality of product, their customer service, their attention to detail and desire to work with the school soon outshone other providers.
We made the decision for A&S Landscape to work during term time due to other projects that we had on over the summer holidays. And this wasn't an issue at all. They were extremely efficient in terms of supporting us with making sure everything was safe and health and safety covered. And the members of their team who did the construction were extremely professional, extremely polite, and worked really, really well with our site team as well.
It's usually loud and busy in the canteen, so I like to come out in a new canopy to chat with my friends because it's more calm and spacious.
When I go for my lunch, the canteen's always really full, standing in the line. It's always so busy and it's sometimes really hard to get a table, so sometimes I like to sit outside. Even though it's raining, we've got a new canopy that I love to sit under with my friends.
We absolutely would recommend A&S Landscape to other schools. A really good company to deal with, very customer focused and a fantastic end product.